Affordability of healthcare is a major concern across the state. ACA subsidies reduced, Medicaid cutbacks on the way, rural hospitals closing, fewer doctors moving to Texas from within and outside the USA. What would you do to reduce the cost of healthcare? Starting with Kate.
Yeah, so I think the first biggest thing that we ought to do is take federal subsidies for Medicaid, expand ACA subsidies. It's a 90-10 split, but the overall finances of that would essentially be a wash for the state of Texas. And we can't have not so far been successful, even though the vast majority of Texans support this. We have not been successful in the legislature. I say we, they, in getting this through to a vote. So an alternative is take it to the people, a constitutional amendment. And so that is something that I think that we could get potentially past some of the Republicans. And the argument is, you take the decision out of your hands and you put it before the people, and therefore we could have subsidies for healthcare. I think that one of the things that James Talarico did, who of course is the rep in our district, was reduce the cost of insulin. And I've seen in my own clients how that has impacted them. So I think the state working to reduce the cost of prescription drugs is really important. And my first point about expanding Medicaid subsidies would help impact keeping rural hospitals open. So those are my top line responses to expanding healthcare access in Texas.